Good morning, Cash. Are you in the spaceship? Yay. Hi, buddy. Oh, bless you. Oh, bless you. Good morning. Good morning. Hello. Hello. There's the smile. Hello. Hello, mister. Good morning. What's this? He's staring at the camera. You're gonna be a movie star? Where's your nose? There's your nose. There's your nose. Oh. Oh. Just looking at this. What is that? Who is that? You smile for Grandpa and Grandma? Hi. Gonna wave at him? Yeah. He's found his tongue. He's moving his tongue around all the time. Yes, you do. You're moving it around. Yeah, look at him looking straight at it. Yes. You're rocking. Yes. Where's your hand? Where's your hand? That tongue. We got a couple more smiles. Let's move the camera over here, see if he watches. Okay. Over here now. Over here now. Sit up. Where is it now? Where is it now? There it is. Ooh, Bella, watch out. Bella just had water from the toilet. You don't want that, Cash, right? No way. No way. Watch out, Belle. Bella, say hi. Stinker. Hi. Is that your puppy? Is that your puppy? Yeah. Yeah. It's your puppy. Oh, hiccup. 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 Yes. Oh. Ooh. Ah. Cash, we do another smile? Here's Bella. Looking at Bella. Let's do one more. One more smile. Oh, the hiccups now. Huh. It's kicking so much. Ooh, you're kicking. You're kicking. We'll get some more smiles out of him today. Just wanted to catch a few this morning. Did you do it? Yeah? Oh, he didn't like that. Okay, say goodbye. Say bye-bye.